When it comes to acquiring business technology devices like switches, routers, access points, and firewalls, choosing the right provider is crucial to ensuring the efficiency, security, and scalability of your technological infrastructure. Here are the most compelling reasons to purchase these devices from us and take advantage of our associated services. 1. Extensive regional coverage. We are more than just a hardware provider. We are committed to digitizing the distribution chain across the region through strategic alliances with official distributors and local service providers. This enables us to offer complete regional coverage, ensuring that you can access the best products and services in one place, regardless of your company's location. 2. Experts in installation and configuration. The device setup, such as switches, routers, access points, and firewalls, can be complex, especially in business environments that require high availability and security. We have a team of certified experts who handle the entire process, ensuring that your devices operate optimally from day one. We take care of every detail, from physical installation to advanced network configuration, ensuring your infrastructure is ready to support your daily operations without interruptions. 3. Preventive and corrective maintenance. Technological devices, by nature, require regular maintenance to avoid failures and ensure their longevity. We offer preventive and corrective maintenance plans tailored to your company's needs. Our preventive service includes periodic inspections and necessary adjustments to prevent problems before they arise, while our corrective service is available to resolve any issues that may occur, minimizing downtime and keeping your operations running smoothly. 4. Specialized technical support. We understand the importance of having reliable and accessible technical support at all times. That's why we offer specialized technical support services to resolve any questions or issues you may have with your devices. Whether you need help configuring a firewall or optimizing your network, our team is just a click away, ready to assist you with quick and effective solutions. 5. Equipment rental. For companies that prefer a flexible solution, we offer a technology equipment rental service. This allows you to access the latest technology without a significant initial investment. Whether you need high-end routers for a temporary project or additional access points during an expansion period, our rental option is the ideal solution to adapt to your changing needs. 6. Technology recycling. We care about the environment, which is why we offer a technology recycling service for your old devices. We take care of responsibly collecting and recycling any equipment you no longer use, helping you comply with environmental regulations and reduce your carbon footprint. 7. Warranty on hardware, software, and services. We stand out by offering warranties not only on the sale of hardware and software, but also on each of the services we provide. You can rest easy knowing that any equipment or service you acquire from us is backed by our quality guarantee, ensuring that your investment is protected at all times. 8. Solutek B2B Subscriber Club. For companies that require continuous support and want to maximize their benefits, we offer our exclusive Solutek B2B Subscriber Club. By joining, you can enjoy exclusive discounts on the purchase of technological hardware and software, free diagnostics of various devices for your company and its employees, and access to thousands of products and services offered by our community on Solutek.com. This membership is ideal for any business looking to optimize its technological infrastructure and get the most value from every purchase. In summary, choosing us as your provider of technology devices and associated services guarantees not only high-quality products, but also comprehensive support at every stage, from installation to recycling. With the peace of mind of having regional coverage and the backing of our strategic alliances, let us be your trusted technology partner.